The boat show's been running for 16 years now. It started first show at Greenpoint Stadium, came to this venue on the second and third shows, and we've moved around in Cape Town, and we're back here at the V&A Waterfront 16 years later.
We're Boating World. We're the South African agents for the Fonte Peugeot catamarans and the Jeanneau sailing yachts. It's pretty much what we do.
Welcome to the Riva stand. Thanks for coming to the 2016 boat show. Just a few things about the Riva brand. As you know, this is absolutely the most iconic yacht brand in the world. This here is their iconic Aqua Riva, and this is the only one that we have in South Africa. Thanks for the boat show.
Alright, so yeah, we 2016 boat show. Yamaha's always been, since the beginning of the time we've been with the Cape Town boat show. So yeah, new products, new things for the 2016 Cape Town boat show. We're outside this year on the water, great venue to be, and we're enjoying being at the Cape Town boat show.
Well, there was no boat show in Cape Town, and we've got a burgeoning and growing boat building market here. We build some of the best catamarans in the world, build the best rubber ducks in the world. So as that industry has grown, there was a need for a show. There's a need for all those builders to showcase their products, and this is it. Best marketing tool in the business, Cape Town International Boat Show.